Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can put this tablet into safe mode. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, then swipe down once again, and this will show us the power button right over here. Click on it, and then you wanna hold power off. After you hold it, it will switch into safe mode. So here we're just gonna click on it once again, and this will initiate a reboot into safe mode. Now with that being said, safe mode is primarily used for troubleshooting your device. So maybe you have installed some kind of malicious application that is causing you problems and you can't get rid of it. Booting your device into safe mode will basically resolve that problem, because that application will no longer be able to cause you problems in safe mode. It will not be able to run at all, and neither will any other application that you have installed yourself. Additionally, certain apps that come even pre-installed with this device will be temporarily turned off as long as you are in safe mode. So let's see what we have right here. So we have a bunch of actual Samsung applications that are turned off. So we have widgets, we have notes, we have calendar, browser, let's see what else we got. Calculator, clock. Okay, that is getting a little bit ridiculous right here. So yeah, a bunch of applications, as you can see, turned off right here, even the default ones. So any app that is grayed out like these ones, here, will not be able to run as long as you are in the safe mode. And if you try to open it up, just to kind of give you the example, it will give you this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is just get back to your boot options, and this time around select your restart. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it will automatically go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.